Hello friends. Today we are going to talk about trigonometry topic. You might have earlier studied it in standard 10. So let's quickly revise some part of standard 10 and then continue with the next topic. So trigonometry is a Greek word. It means trigno and metron, which means measuring the sides of the triangle. So here in the figure you can see in triangle ABC, we, the angle B is 90 degree and angle C is theta. So here sin theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. So the opposite side to angle theta AB. So angle so on AC is nothing but sin theta. And cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So adjacent side to theta is B. So formula for cos theta is BC upon AC. And tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side. So here is on the circle and is on the ray OB. So to find the trigonometric functions with the help of circles, we have to draw perpendicular from point P on x-axis, which we will name as M. So here in the figure you can see OM is x, which is uh, which is x coordinate of point P. Hello, can you hear?
Yes,
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. So here you can see in the figure OM is considered as x because it is the x coordinate of point P, and PM is considered as y because it is the y coordinate of point P. And R is obviously the hypotenuse of the triangle as it is a right angle triangle. So in the triangle PMO, you can see that cos theta is equal to opposite adjacent side upon hypotenuse, which means OM upon OP, and sin theta is opposite side upon hypotenuse, which is PM upon OP. And by Pythagoras theorem, you can also see that r square is equal to x square plus y square is also possible, by which we can get our first trigonometric identity, which is cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So, guys, did you understand it? Can we move to the next page?
yes, understood.
Okay, just a second.
हॅलो, आवाज येतोय का?
येस सर, तुमचा येतोय.
ओके. येस. अवंतिका, तुझं झालंय का कम्प्लीट?
नाही सर, एक मिनिट ते स्क्रीन शेअरिंग स्टॉप झालं.
ओके ओके.
So here you can also see that there is a note that in trigonometric functions, as we have seen that sin theta is equal to y upon r, and cos theta is equal to x upon r from the previous stage. So here the trigonometric ratios are independent of r. So whatever will be the value of r, that will not affect the value of sin and cos. And trigonometric ratios of co-terminal angles are same. Means if the angles are in the same quadrant or in the same plane, then their values will be same. So also while finding the trigonometric ratios, we also need the help of science in they have in different quadrants. So in the first quadrant you can see that the theta is acute, which is in between 0 degree and 90 degrees. So here x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is also positive. So cos theta is positive and sin theta is also positive, tan theta is also positive. While the reciprocals of cos, sin and tan, which are cosec, sec and cot, are also positive. In the second quadrant, you can see that the theta is obtuse here, which is in between 90 degree to 180 degree. So here y is positive and x is negative. So cos will be negative, sin will be positive, and tan will be negative. And the reciprocals will also be. So reciprocal of cos is, can anyone tell me? Hello, can you hear? Can
Yes.
someone tell what is the reciprocal of cos?
Sec theta.
Sec theta.
So here sec theta will also be negative. And what is the reciprocal of sin theta?
Cosec theta.
Cosec
Cos
theta.
theta.
So can you tell what will be the value of cosec theta, like negative or positive?
In second
Hello?
quadrant,
In second quadrant, what will be the value of cosec theta?
positive.
And what will be the reciprocal of tan and its value?
Negative.
Cot theta and negative.
Mm.
Yes, very good. So in third quadrant, you can see that both x and y coordinate are negative, and the theta lies in between 180 degree and 270 degree. So here cos is x, which is negative, sin is y, but y is also negative, so sin is also negative. But tan here is y upon x, which is positive. So here, what will be the reciprocals value of cos, sin, and tan?
Cos theta negative, sin theta also negative, and tan theta is cot theta positive.
No, actually, I asked what will be the reciprocals value of cos, sin, and tan.
Negative and cos theta.
Cos theta 1 upon x, sin theta 1 upon y, and cot theta x upon y.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Thank you.